We're here with Jeff with Enterprise Security in the Phoenix area. Jeff, why don't you tell me about what you're doing here at this installation?
We're installing security on the pool gates using the SureFi devices. The reason we're doing that is there's physically no way to get the wiring out to the readers that we're using, and because of the distance and the man hours it would take to trench everything to get the wires out there, that's why we decided to go with SureFi.
Now, everything's kind of finished off in this area, is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
So it would be tearing up the grounds and all the vegetation and everything.
And how many pools are we talking about?
4.
Okay. Multiple gates for each pool, right?
3 to 4 gates for each pool.
Excellent. And how many units are you planning on using on this HOA here?
I believe there's 48.
So just ballpark figure about how much time, how much cost savings are you going to be able to have by using SureFi units versus if you had to trench it?
We're talking about a couple weeks to trench and thousands of dollars.
Okay. So does that help you get more bids in the future, do you think?
Yeah,
So Jeff, let me ask you, what did you think about the signal strength getting through all this obstruction?
I was very surprised at the signal strength because at the farthest point, we're going to use repeaters in the middle, of course, but we only have to use 2 versus 3 because the signal strength is so strong.